welcome back to another video. You are watching just at click.com, and today's video is all dedicated to Elite Book 840 out here. Yes, talking about Elite Book series, or we can say that HP series and Elite Book series are really amazing. Most of the gadget in HP series works with a platform of Intel vPro technology. Along with that, they have embedded security system or the security chip of TPM, Trusted Platform Modulus 1.2 security chip. So you get to have these kind of things and you get to see these specification in this gadget also. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant out here offers you a good operating system. Yes, talking about the operating system, it is operating on Windows operating system with 64 bytes computerization professional kit. Apart from that, we know that the gadget is really important in the screening size, everything. And when a gadget is for designed especially for the corporate world, then you get to see a lot of specifications. Now talking about this Elite Book series corporate world design, it will be having an SD display. Yes, that is mandatory. Along with that, a medium size designed out here with light version, everything. So what has been upgraded out there? It has reduced the weight out here. Now talking about the weight, it weighs approximately 1.48 kgs. Yes, the weight is approximately 1.48 kgs. So approximately 1.5 we can say, but yeah, 1.48 is the specified weight out there. With a thickness of about 45.7 mm. So 45.7 mm is the thickness out here offered by this gadget. Along with that, you get to see the broadness and the length of approximately 338 into 236. So 338 into 236 is the actual diameters or the dimensions out there. All over this, we can say that this gadget offers great specifications out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant is offering you a good core system of Intel Core i5. Yes, this is operating on Intel Core i5. Along with that, you get to see a screen size of 14 inches. So it has got a good screen size of 14 inches out here, which is really important and a very good sign out there. Apart from that, we know that the processor works very well, offering you good normal speed out there. Everything has to be working well. It offers you a good base speed, dual core processing, cache memory out here, chip processors out there, as well as the Intel Turbo Boost technologies out there, threading technologies out there. So everything could be seen out in this variant. But now processor alone does not make any gadget worth it. It is made worth it with storage also. Yes, another factor which comes out to be the storage. Let us talk about the storage. And talking about storage, it basically involves the cache memory, the RAM, and the hard drive storage. So three are the basic points. Cache memory is definitely amazing out here, offering you a good cache memory about this gadget. Along with that, it offers you a RAM of installed size that is 8 GB. So 8 GB is the installed RAM out here offered by this gadget. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here offers you good range of specifications, as well as it offers you a great functionality. Yes, it offers you great functionalities out there. When we are talking about this gadget, then we can say that the variant out here offers amazing functionalities, not just in the RAM variation, but in the typing also. It offers you DDR3 RAM type out here with a good memory speed. Yes, it offers you a good memory speed also. But when we are talking about memory, does this memory means that it is offering you sufficient RAM? No, memory is included with the hard drive too. So talking about the hard drive, it offers you 256 GB hard drive storage. Yes, 256 GB hard drive storage could be seen out on this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that the hard drive storage is in the form of HDD. That is the hard drive disk storage out there. You can see that. What is the speed offered out? It can be a good speeding or not, so that determines the functionality also. Talking about the speed, it offers you 7,200 rpm, that is 7,200 rpm spindle speed, or the speed per minute out there, the hard drive speed out there, that is very important out there. Apart from that, the things which are included in any gadget is the connectivity out there offered by that. It offers you good connectivity. Along with that, graphics plays an important role. Talking about the connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, USB connectivities, 2, 3, audio input output connectivity, Wi-Fi, power connectivity out here. You get to see a good connectivity with all kind of specifications like SD card, flash card, memory card out there. These kind of connectivity. Now, when we are talking about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here offers you good graphical connectivity also, because graphics is an important part when we come to audio and video thing. When we come to audio and video part, then graphics plays an important role. And talking about it, then it offers you Intel HD graphics 520 out here. Yes, it is offering you Intel HD graphics of 520. A good integrated webcam is already inbuilt in it. A good stereo type speaker, microphones out that could be seen. Offering you a good battery life also plays an important role. Yes, talking about the battery life, it offers you a good battery life so that you can work optimally out there, because HP usually designs its gadgets so that they can work best of best in the harsh conditions also. Now, apart from these things, what is another major factor for a product? That is the pricing. So for pricing, let us visit this website, that is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you amazing pricing for your gadgets. Yes, they offer you great pricing, reasonable rates for your gadgets out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site offers you an option, that is customizability option. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. You can customize the gadget the way you want, if it is already allotted by the company out there. Apart from that, let us search this gadget out there in this search icon, EliteBook. So this is the result for our search. We get to see different gadgets out here. EliteBook 840, different versions out there. Along with that, every gadget is under the condition of refurbished out there. We get to see refurbished condition all over there. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition first. What are refurbished products all about? Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, or talking about the refurbished word itself, it means creating something new like. And when we talk about brand new and refurbished, then we can say they both are similar like products. Actually, brand new products are extension of refurbished. Yes, when we talk about refurbished, then brand new like products or the similar products like that, or we can say every brand new product becomes refurbished, or refurbished products are once brand new products are actually the same thing. Now, when we are talking about brand new products and refurbished products, they have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, because refurbished products are a pre-owned gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Now, how does it work? Like, how are the pre-owned gadgets, brand new like pre-owned gadgets working? When we talk about that, then it follows a small pathway, that is base is the company out here. When we talk about the base is the company always which provides you the gadget for the first time. Now, talking about the gadgets, you get to have the gadget out here, as well as you get to see that the gadget has been brought up in the market. Now, this has been brought up in the market. Now, users are buying these gadgets and all. Now, when you get to see that the gadget is for the first time released out in the market, and first time you are having that gadget, it is known as brand new product. Yes, this is known as brand new product then. Now, when we are talking about these gadgets, this terminates the brand new chain. And the brand new products are actually nothing else but we can say new gadgets out there for the first time owned by any user. But what happens after this? Now you have owned that gadget. Now you want to resell it. You don't want to use it anymore. You want some other person to have it, or you want to have a new gadget again. So you want to resell that gadget. And this comes under the category of refurbished. Yes. Now what is this refurbished pathway out here? every brand new gadget when owned by any user like us, and after that it is again sold out to another user, it is termed as refurbished or pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget is brought up to a marketplace where it is being resold, where you are going to sell this off. After that, you get to see that this gadget has been brought up in the market. You are going to have this. It is written as a product condition that is refurbished. Now, it will not be a brand new gadget because it has already been used once. Yes, it has already been used once. It has already been into the market once. It has already been a pre-owned gadget. So it is not a brand new gadget now. It is a refurbished gadget. Now, when we are talking about this ending of refurbished, how the user buys it, we can say that refurbished is extension of brand new. Along with that, you get to see that brand new and refurbished has a major difference in the testing sites. Now, what are these testing sites? These are nothing else but the testing parameters or the testing sites where every gadget is testified and verified out there. Talking about this, we can say that every gadget in brand new has to be tested on various different sites, whereas refurbished gadgets are tested and verified on a same or a single site out there. Yes, they are tested, verified, approved on the same site where you are going to sell your gadget, or where that gadget is going to be resold again. Now let us talk about the testing parameters. Let us talk what are the parameters included in the testing of it. Testing parameters generally include the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, there are two different parameters, external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say these are actually the parameters which we see directly through our eyes, which can be externally seen. You do not require any software, any tool out there, like display, screen size, buttons out there, button intactness out there. Talking about the functionality of each button, touchpad, connectors, USB connectors, power jack or input output jacks out there, camera, working of camera, scratches, or the battery, charging capacity, charger. So these kind of things which do not require any component or any software out here. Whereas talking about internal components, you require specialized software, high equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parameters. Yes, internal parameters like chip system, processor, speed, RAM, storage speed out there, drive, power connectors, charging out there, graphics, resolution, display type. So these kind of things, internal connections out there. So these kind of things has to be tested with specialized software, specialized tools, everything out there. Now, when we are talking about these parameters, now parameters are absolutely same. Design is same, functionality is same, everything is same. So why are we preferring, or we are recommending, or we suggest to have a refurbished product once? Because it offers you few benefits. Why? First benefit, it is offering you a pocket friendly rate. Talking about rating, brand new products offers you actually high pricing. Yes, they are quite expensive. When we talk about brand new products, they are quite expensive out here, whereas refurbished products are actually less expensive, or we can say pocketable out here. Talking about these pocketable rates and high pricing, the difference in the pricing causes a huge amount of difference. So this could be said as a savings. So you can have a huge saving if you try out any refurbished product. But when we are talking about brand new and refurbished, the warranty period in brand new products are is actually 1 year. Yes, 1 year is the brand new warranty period. Along with that, you get to see exchange policy also. But if you're buying any pre-owned gadget from any place out there or directly from a person, you do not get any warranty period because there is no condition written out here. But if you have a condition written as product type, refurbished or certified refurbished, then it is said as to have a warranty period of 6 months as well as 7 day exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. But have you ever thought what would happen if the product fails in any testing? If it fails in any testing out there, it has to be renewed, it has to be manufactured, renewed, or replaced that part out there from the original part issued by the company. Yes, so it is absolutely safe. It is not using any false part because it is offering you absolutely newly like gadget. Now we can try out these refurbished products, and for refurbished products, this site we were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com. This site offers you amazing refurbished products. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you amazing refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished laptops, there you can have a large selection out there. Yes, you get to have a large selection. Along with that, you get to have great deals because rates out there are very much reasonable. Along with that, you can save a huge amount of savings. Yes, savings because brand new and refurbished products have a difference in their pricing. Along with that, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have that 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, COD and free shipping, money back guarantee, online support system. Apart from that, you get to have a customizability option at the site just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Now talking about customizability, you can customize your gadgets like the RAM out there, or you can customize the storage out there. So these kind of things will be customized, which have been issued by the company itself. So description has the link. You can check out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. So for best pricing, visit out the website. Till then, take care.